Hello. Alrighty. This week in my social media planner, I've got this cute little kit from Charlotte's Mini with the little gray kitty cats. I'm going to use it. It's just like a mini kit, so it only had the 2 pages. I've got Plan and an Instagram sticker from the Polka Dot Planner. I do PR for her. Vanessa 20 to save 20%. I do believe she's got some new releases in the store. From 3 Tiny Bows, I've got the rest of the Planner Girl deco sheet and then the kitty cat sheet of the little faces peeping over at you. And the code for her is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. From J&J Sticker Co., I have some coffee cups, glittery coffee cups, and the film words, and the code for her is Vanessa25. From BriannaNicoleDesignz, I have the YouTube sticker that I'll use to track, and she runs a lot of sales, so just, follow along on my Insta to see when the sales are. And from Peekaboo Planning, I am using these pretty purple number dots because they'll match. And then I've got the Days of the Week washi. And from She Is Crafty, I've got the planner clip with my name. And from One Crafty Country Girl, I have this cute resin Instagram planner. So I liked it real well. And I did find these cute little unicorn pens at Dollar General for $1. So I will be using one of those this week. So let's go ahead and get started. So I just wanted to change up how I do this week. Because I just feel like I wanted my dates and stuff to run a different way. So this washi tape is quite handy. I wish it'd been, pastel colors or something, but it works. Alright, and just double check to make sure I start with the right day. So it starts with the 26th. And it does change over to April. And my brother's birthday is the 28th. There it is. And the one for April 1st. Alrighty. So we have the dates on there. Alright. And I am going to use these little flags just to cover over these days. It won't exactly match my other side, but that's alright. Because it does the main thing I needed to do, which is cover up the other letters, and it adds a little bit of color. Alright. I'll put this one here. I'm going to do my best to, the boxes aren't going to line up because they are full-size boxes, but I still thought they were adorable. I think that's supposed to be like a little blanket or something. And then I'll start this one on this side. Let's get a little upside down here. And I still have 2 super cute boxes left over. Alright, so we'll use some checklist. I'm going to go with Monday's to-dos. Like I said, there's only a few days of the week that I actually have stuff that I do in here. I don't post every day. So I'll write those down. Thursday, I have an appointment. So I want to run this one this way. Here's these cute little banners. It's because I think they are adorable. Because, yay, it's the weekend. Oops. Well, I totally did not get that centered very well, did I? Alright, so don't forget and remember, works fine to make sure I remember to mark down my followers. Sunday, I always plan. And I always film. And I just like that little floral planner. Couple little fancy drinks up here. And I wanted to put this kitty down here just because I liked him. And then I'm just going to use the other two up here along the top, just because I think these are just adorable. I love these little half kitty faces. Alright. A little glitter coffee cup there. And I got some little kitties that I can put out here playing. Hopefully Luna gets her, I ordered her a kitty condo, so I can't wait till it comes in, because I think she's really gonna like it. Because now she does just simply adores boxes. We have a box that she's got all torn up. Little kitty toys there. And one little sleepy kitty that we'll put right here by the weekend sign. And I still have a couple little stickers left over. I'll keep these boxes because I never know when I'll use them. But I think that is pretty much my layout for the week. I will make me a little box to keep track of when I do my post. But this is what I have for this week. And I think it's cute, simple, and a little bit different. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.